Hey guys, it's Kelly in the garden. We have a group of local gardeners, plant aficionados who like to get together and share plants and seeds and just have fun, enjoy a meal together. We do that once a month, and it's only about 6 months old, this group, but it's so much fun. And we had a real treat the other day. We met at the first mayor's house, which is a historical site, home to the first mayor of Salinas, California. And we got to see the house, go on a tour, and see the gardens outside. And it was really such a fun time. I did take some videos, so I just thought I'd share a little bit of that with you, and I hope you enjoy it. If you're ever in Salinas, California, stop by the first mayor's house in Salinas and check it out. It's a whole lot of fun.
We're glad you could visit the first mayor of Salinas' home. I.J. Harvey's home was constructed in 1868. He was a merchant who became our first mayor. The house is a redwood house. It has originally had the wooden shingles on it. Now it is a regular asphalt shingle. The house is full of artifacts, all saved by the families. The first mayor's family lived in this house from 1868 to 1960. Now the house is operated by the board that opens it up to the public once a month and have a big open house. You can come through and see all of the artifacts inside this beautiful redwood home. Its original site was in the historic downtown area of Salinas. It's been moved here to Heritage Park, where it joins a number of other historic buildings. And we're happy to have you come through. It has been refurbished with electricity and with plumbing. It has reproduction of wallpaper throughout, and the artifacts of the family are on display. The tour is free, absolutely free. It costs nothing whatsoever. We bring students through here every Thursday and Friday during the school year, so thousands of students have been able to come through. Daughters of American Revolution, the Red Hats, a lot of our service clubs meet here, again for free. This is to welcome you to the historic part of Salinas, and we're happy to do it at no cost. We survive on donations. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for the generosity of our donors.